This is a question using the same information, but instead of doing the quantity variance, I'm going to do the rate variance. So I still need to look at my direct labor. Let's go ahead and get that formula written down. I'll do it in finer ink here. Maybe. There we go. So my labor rate variance. My rate variance is equal to my actual rate minus my planned rate times the actual quantity. Okay? So I'm going to be comparing my rates. So with that, I can then begin my comparison. My actual rate I don't need to write that. I was going to find it. My actual rate I'm going to have to calculate because they told me what my actual direct labor costs were, and that's $4,020,000 divided by my actual hours, and that'll give me my actual rate. So I can then multiply that times my planned rate of $22 and my actual quantity, which was, what was it? Actual quantity 27,600. That was 27,500 times 6.6. So let's go ahead and simplify this a little bit. First, I'm going to do the quantity 27,500 divided by 6.6 hours. So my hours would be 45,379.5. Okay, so that would be my actual quantity. I'm sorry, I divided. Let's redo that. Multiply 27,500 times 6.6, and I get 181,500. Sorry for that error. And I'm going to take the $4,020,000, divide that by 183,000. Now I get a really long number. It's 21,967, or $21,967,213. Da 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 da. Now it didn't tell me to round, so I'm not going to. So I can then subtract this 21.96, subtract the 22 from it, and I saved over 3 cents per. 3 cents savings. Well, if I have a savings, it's going to be favorable. So I find that difference, and I'm going to multiply that times the actual quantity of 181,500, and I get 5,999,999,997, and it's due to rounding, so I'm going to select the 6,000 favorable. Okay, but it's due to the rounding issue.